Anyone who has lost their job through no fault of their own, is able and available for work, and is looking for work is typically eligible for unemployment insurance. So pretty much anyone who has been working and is engaged in the workforce over the last 15 months, if they are separated or their hours have been reduced as a result of this pandemic, they should apply for unemployment insurance. Right now, the way the unemployment insurance trust fund works is that employers pay into that trust fund on the first $12,000 of wages that their employees earn, and that's the pool of money that's being used to pay out the benefits. If you're self-employed, you do not pay into that program, which is why you're not eligible typically from unemployment insurance. Your name, your address, your social security number, the name of any employers you've worked for in the last 15 months, and if you want that money, that benefit deposited directly into your bank account, we would need the routing number, and we are encouraging people to include that information. It usually takes between 10 days and 2 weeks. And we are definitely on track for that time frame. The legislation waived the 1 week waiting period. Normally, the first week that you're unemployed, you do not receive benefits. The legislature and the governor asked for emergency legislation that allows us to get those benefits out to people even more quickly, and we're trying to do that. Yes, there is. And if you are rejected, that appeal information will be provided to you both on in the account that you've created with us, so electronically, as well as through the U.S. Postal Service. There is a drop-down menu on the main page that says Contact Us, and there's a button there that if you click on it, it says Unemployment Insurance. If you fill out your question on there, it goes into a queue. There is a very long queue. We have about 12,000 people in that queue right now. But what it does is if you put your question in there, we've got a documented record of your question, and we are working through those as quickly as possible. And if you are eligible for benefits, they will be retroactive to the time that, that you contacted us.
The department's phone lines and website are busier than ever right now. Folks there suggest you file your claim online, log online, or call at non-peak times of the day, and send your questions through the department website rather than call.
The system on our end is up, is running, is not experiencing those kinds of technical difficulties that we've heard about in other states. But we are encouraging people to try at different times of the day. The online service is available 24 hours a day. So there may be non-peak times that it's easier to log on. Go to our website. We post new questions and answers every day. We're trying to gather any of the common questions and develop systems for answering them or addressing them as quickly as possible. We're trying to get more familiar with Zoom technology so that we can provide services this way as well.